Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Jasmine. Then one magical day, out of the blue, she wondered, why does my carpet make me move? Well, Jasmine, that's because of Newton's first law.
What's that?
Newton's first law states that an object at rest must stay at rest, and an object at motion must stay at motion, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. You are that object, and the unbalanced force is your carpet. So you were at rest until your carpet, the unbalanced force, made you move. Now you're in motion, and the unbalanced force, which is that curve, made you stop. Now your resistance to move or stop is called inertia. You have less inertia than your tiger. So therefore, your tiger will resist the change in motion more than you will.
The formula for Newton's second law equals force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. That means the bigger the mass, the more force needed. This law defines a force to be equal to the change in momentum with the change in a time. Momentum is the mass of an object times its velocity or speed with direction. Let's swim over and meet Ariel and her friends at the bottom of the magical sea.
Ariel throws Sebastian, who accelerates to launch the water. Now watch this flounder, who has a larger mass, has less acceleration.
Time for a trivia question. Which one has the most momentum? Me, Flounder, or Sebastian?
I forgot.
If you answered Sebastian, you're correct.
A couple magical days later, there was a ball starring Belle and her prince. Newton's third law says for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. In this, the prince is pushing against Belle, which is the action. The equal and opposite reaction is Belle dancing with her prince. Watch as Belle tries to resist the push. She can't because for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction.
That an object in motion, which is you, will stay in motion, or an object at rest, which is also you, will stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, meaning your flying carpet. So you were at rest until the flying carpet moved. Now you're in motion.
This is what you're supposed to do, Kaylin.
Rolling.
Belle, which is the action. The equal and opposite reaction is Belle dancing with the prince. Watch as Belle tries to resist the push. She can't because for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction.